Let's have a look at this percentage decrease or increase. It doesn't matter what are we looking at. It's always the same way of calculating that. So John's car was valued at 25,000 1 year ago. Today, it has a value of 21,250. So we understand in the beginning 25,000, then the value of the car goes down, so 21,250. So we have to find percentage decrease in the value of the car over the course of 1 year. When we are looking at percentage, doesn't matter in what context, we are thinking about fraction, okay? And in this case, whether we are looking for percentage decrease, like the value goes down, or increase, the idea is the same. And I like to make it really simple and in a simple terms. So what we have is two numbers that are involved. One number is old, one number is new. So the way we can calculate that, we take the old number on top of the fraction minus the new number, and we divide by the old number. Now, sometimes it should be the other way around. However, like what I mean, it should be on top of the fraction new minus old, but we can overcome that issue if top of the fraction we put absolute value bracket. That means that straight line bracket on your calculator is ABS. That's how that's going to come up. So the old number is 25,000, the new number is 21,250. So that means on top of the fraction, I have 25,000 minus 21,250 and divided by the old number, which is 25,000. And like I'm saying, we can put that absolute value bracket. Now here in this particular example, it's not going to make a difference, but depending on what your question talks about, it could. So when we put that in the calculator, first we get what? A decimal, so 0.15, but we have to change that to percentage. How do we change that to percentage? We either multiply by 100 or we move that decimal two places. That means 15%. So that is a very common calculation. Remember, simple terms, old number and new number. That's all how we have to kind of look at it.